Welcome to Cygzen ERP. In this video, you will learn how to configure sales and purchase taxes in ERP Next. Go to Sales Taxes and Charges template by searching Sales Taxes and Charges template in the Awesome bar. Click the Add Sales Taxes and Charges button. Give the title name for the template. Check the box is default. Now, go to the Sales Taxes and Charges section. Click on Add Row to Sales Taxes and Charges. You will set the type, account head, rate, amount, and total. Go to any of the editing rows and give the reference number. Click on Save. Go to the Sales Invoice list by searching Sales Invoice list in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Sales Invoice. Set the series name. Set the customer name. Now, go to the Items section and set the item, quantity, rate, and amount. Click on Save. Go to the Sales Taxes and Charges section and set the Sales Taxes and Charges template you made before the Sales Invoice list. The list will be shown in the Sales Taxes and Charges section. Click on Save again. The same will be the process for the Purchase Taxes and Charges. Go to Purchase Taxes and Charges template by searching Purchase Taxes and Charges template in the Awesome bar. Click the Add Purchase Taxes and Charges button. Give the title name for the template. Check the box is default. Now, go to the Purchase Taxes and Charges section. Click on Add Row to Purchase Taxes and Charges. You will set the type, account head, rate, amount, and total. Click on Save. Go to the Purchase Invoice list by searching Purchase Invoice list in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Purchase Invoice. Set the series name. Set the supplier name. Set the supplier invoice number. Now, go to the Items section and set the item, accepted quantity, rate, and amount. Click on Save. Go to the Purchase Taxes and Charges section and set the Purchase Taxes and Charges template you made before the Purchase Invoice list. The list will be shown in the Purchase Taxes and Charges section. Click on Save again. Now, go to the Tax Rule list by searching Tax Rule list in the Awesome bar. Set the tax type as Sales or Purchase. Set the Sales Tax template. Set the customer group as Overseas if the customer lives outside the country. Set the tax category as Overseas. Set the date from which it will become valid and the valid date till expiry. Click on Save. Congratulations! You have completed a task on configuring sales and purchasing taxes in ERP Next.